I've had the Peak Design Sling for quite a while now, and I realized I haven't done it justice with a proper review. I wanted to share my experience with this because I recently took the Everyday Sling on a waterfall hike in Oregon, and this has regularly made it into my rotation when I'm carrying camera gear. I've actually had this for almost 2 years, but really haven't done much testing with a full camera gear loadout. Without cameras, the Sling works well. It's a little stiff and bulky, but as you can imagine, toting camera gear is where this pack really shines. My loadout has been the Sony A7Cii II camera. This is the Sigma 2870 lens and DJI Pocket 3 and tripod, hiking on the Trail of Ten Falls in Central Oregon. If you haven't been on this trail, it's really awesome. They've had some storm damage recently from a storm back in December. I'll include a link in the description to a blog that I wrote with some more photos about that trip. I have the 6-liter version of the Everyday Sling here. This is the middle size between the smaller 3-liter and the larger 10-liter versions. And for me, this is pretty much the perfect size for the camera and lens that I'm using. Also some room for smaller accessories and even enough extra room for snacks in the front pocket. As far as build quality on the Everyday Sling goes, pretty much in line with Peak Design gear. Very similar style and quality of their backpacks, really thick material, really good build, stitching quality, high quality hardware. The main interior pocket is really just a large compartment. Again, this is designed mainly for carrying and protecting your camera gear. However, there are a few other features on the inside, two small side stretchy pockets, this little pocket on the top, zippered stretchy fabric, a couple little small dividers in here for holding small gear, dongles, and SD cards. It is more than a camera case though. Other gear, they have this padded, very firm panel here, sleeve magnet attachment for up to 11-inch tablet on the back to also protect that. And of course, big zipper on the front. This thing kind of expandable. The inside will pop into this portion here if you have the inside really full. But if not, then you can fit quite a bit of gear in this front pocket. Hardware in this bag is really nice. This is just where Peak Design does a great job. You can really tell they put a lot of attention into the hardware and the details. For example, metal rivets for attaching the shoulder strap, thick nylon webbing, smooth metal adjusters, metal buckle, leather accent. This is just a really nice bag. A few other small details, webbing strap, carry handle on the top. They have these two attachment points on each side of the bag. These are for hooking the camera mounting bracket if you want to attach your camera on the outside of the sling. The bottom again has 4 fabric loops in the corners for attaching these adjustable slings. These things kind of get attached on there, but you can pop these off. They're adjustable, move them around any configuration you want. So I haven't mentioned these flex fold dividers. The medium size 6-liter one comes with 2 of these. These are basically just for separating your camera gear on the inside, the main compartment. This is all Velcro lined. These things have 2 little Velcro panels, and you can pretty much put these in any orientation, up, down. They have a little foldable panel here if you want to make a little shelf for smaller gear. Basically endless configurations for whatever kind of setup you want to carry in this thing. So that's pretty much everything I have for the Everyday Sling. I thought it worth mentioning my whole camera setup here also includes the Peak Design camera cube. This is the extra small size. This case also does fit that same Sony camera, just obviously going to be a lot less room than that larger Sling. A little bit of room here on the top, but nothing that's going to fit like a large lens or anything. This also does come with a variety of dividers if you want to carry some smaller camera gear, separate that out. I like this because it has these 2 fabric loops on the end if you want to attach a shoulder strap, and just use this as a minimalist sling. So this is my basic camera setup for different situations. I'm going to be hiking or want a little bit of more room, carrying this around with a strap, then I use the Everyday Sling. If I'm traveling, want more minimalist setup, or using this in conjunction with a travel backpack and take it on a plane, then I'll use the camera case. It's much more minimalist. That's everything I have for the Peak Design Everyday Sling. This is the 6-liter, extra small camera case. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. And again, thanks for watching.